over here on the top, you can see that in my home page, add a script is an option, which is actually one of the magic tools that you can use. There are a lot of other magic tools that you can use in CapCut as well. So to access them, you need to go around under magic tools right here. And once you go around under magic tools, you can see that there's various tools that you can use right here for different purposes. Add script is one of them, as you can see right here. So now what I'm going to do is utilize the resize video over here. So let's just go around and click on this one. And what happens is that it gives you an option to upload out content and resize out a video right here. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto let's say cloud, where because I already have some videos stored. So I'm going to select this video clip right here and click on continue right here. And what happens is that it starts processing out the video. So this is the original video, and if I were to press the play button, you can see its preview right here. So now what I can do is I can select out this as well, 9:16, as you can see, and this is what you have. So you got more of a portrait mode. You can utilize the blur option right here to show it like this, as you can see right here, or you can utilize out an image as well. So let's just go around onto cloud and select out this image. Let's say, for example, press OK, and you can see that that image has been added in. Similarly, you can also go around and make it 16:9 or 1:1 right here. And similarly, everything else restarts, as you can see. So I'm going to go around over here and then keep it this, and I'm going to go around and keep it at blur, as you can see right here. And you can see that this is how it seems. There's this blur effect right here. So what you can do is you can directly export out this video or edit this in the multi-track editor so that you can continue editing it. But for this example, I'm going to go around and export it directly, and you can see you can choose around the resolution. So I'm just going to go around and select 360p right here, and I'm not going to worry about any of the other settings, and then click on export right here. So once I do that, what happens is that the video gets exported directly, as you can see. If you were to choose the multi-track editor, then it'll take you to the video editor right here. So this is the video that is exported, as you can see right here, and it will be saved onto your particular workspace. And if you want to download it, you can go around and click on download over here, and it'll be downloaded over here, as you can see right here. And I'm not going to download this right here, as it's just an example. So that is how you can go around and resize out the video by using the magic tool inside of CapCut. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.